Hi guys, just want to share some 5 simple rules which can have a huge impact in our lives. So first one is confidence. Whenever we are confident, a certain chemical is released from our body that is known as serotonin, which gives a feeling of well-being and happiness, and we start clearing and focusing on our strengths more, with clear head when we are confident, and we start believing in ourselves more. And the second point, which is very important point, is choosing right people in your life, because some of them are aiming you up, some of them are aiming you down, and whenever you're trying to aim up in life, they will try to push you back, to stop achieving your accomplishments by giving some excuses or by being hypothetical real. And the third point is always be your own hero, be your own individual. That means that you can think, act and feel by not being dependent, excessively relying on others to show you directions. You don't really have to please them, and make them happy. So this is also kind of being your own individual and your own hero. And the fourth point is that you really have to start exposing to the new experiences in your life, to come out of the discomfort zone, so that whenever you start feeling new experiences, that excuses of your life, that how it sounds and how it feels. Because when you see the new experiences in your life, when you feel that, it demonstrates the curiosity and you start expanding, in the perspectives of your life. And the fifth point is that define your success to yourself, not to others, because the success, it is a kind of an attitude within ourselves only. So you really don't have to bother what people are saying. You have to forge ahead, and you really have to do what's necessary and what's possible, and somehow suddenly you do that is impossible, and for you and for everyone. So that is a success which defines you. So thank you guys, and take care, and all the best for everything. Bye bye.